If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you.
Andy,
Baby, I've been making plans.
unemurume ngaro wechiniji.
Baby, I've been making plans.
Unemurume manyo wautakaenda. Feel me? Ndokuti murume. So guys, are we going to the mall? Those who know the mall is Eastern Mall. And yeah, let's go and see what's popping. I want to leave the car Pandagamboshand actually. I want to leave it there so that I'll get free parking. Sometimes it's full because of this Black Friday. But I want to land out. Actually near the airport. So let's go. Hey, this is my shoe. I have to wash them. Yes. And look at the dirt which is in this car. Everything is dirty. But anyways, let's go. So guys, we're going here. Eastern Mall. This was my first job here. That car wash down there, if you can see it. This was my first job at the car wash here in South Africa. At that place. And I'm going here, Eastern Mall. I left in my bag there. Let's go together. Inside. Let's go together inside and see what's happening. Eastern Mall. Let's go. So guys, the pin and more. Feel me? As you can see. So we're going to Mr. Price. We're going where Mr. Price is. Wapenda South Africa ombo nesikati kuzonowa mu SA. Unongochungona magazi komvemve. Akanyika kanaka. Yeah, I don't remember where Mr. Price is. I think it's down here. I don't remember where it is. I should ask me because I'm gonna be lost here. These malls, they're so big. They could have. Anyways, let's go. There's a pouch nyawani. Okay, it's fine. My pouch is hapa. I'm just vlogging. I do YouTube, by the way. Maybe people they can come and support your XC. It's on inside. What's this door? It's door number what? This door.
This came entrance.
Okay. Many things. You can come and get your pouches here.
Good pouch.
This one is nice, no?
Yeah.
So you guys are out here, man. And I'm looking for something for my sister. This is how big the shop is, though. Yeah. Let me check. There's some nice things over there all over, like, you know. Wakazi, tengewa manduwe. Kushina mapiti koti? Oh. Guys, shopping for someone is so hectic. Yes, the problem is like my parents are so old models. They're specially designed for South Africans. You feel me? Like to minute to push. And I got to change up to fake out. So I'm just looking for some things for my sister, and then my mom and bought some shoes. So let's see which one I should. So guys, I'm going to try something new. A denim. Let's try this one too. Okay. Under my garments, I think she's gonna love this one. Oh, okay. Big brother duties. Mom done, my sister done, and only me was left. That's what I said. As long as my family is happy, I'm happy. So let's go and pay. That's what I'm So guys, we're done with shopping now. So guys, I'm big. This is what I bought. This one. Oh shit. Yes, I'm big. This is what I bought. Oh, this is what I bought. This is what I bought. Feel me? Yo, what am I trying to make boys net sinners go down? But see, now I wanna go to another shopping clothing. I mean, I wanna go to another shop which sells clothes. You feel me? And see if we can get something cool, you feel me? So yeah, let's go together and see what's happening. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired, and I don't even know what to do, man. But yeah, man, let's go and see what's happening. Let's get it. Oyo, that's mana. So that's up at the shopping center in terms of when I look for the clothes. That's shy, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what kind of one that's shy. Anyways, let's go together and check with the one I hear with and look there. I think I'm going to take a go pick and change up again. Then I'll see. Maybe next shopping you'll go meet Sunday with this one and maybe watch by where's here? It's just one here. Anyways, let's go. So guys, this is like a warehouse of clothes, like, you know. Warehouse, yes, you feel me? Everything is here. Men's jeans, everything, shoes and stuff. As you can see, a sign here behind me has no cameras, so I'm not allowed to record here. So I don't know if guys, if I'm gonna give you a vlog, dream no, because I'm going to record. You know what I'm saying? But let's see if we can get something better in Yana. So guys, I'm going to remove my shorts. I'm a shorts guy. Feel me? Yeah. So guys, by the way, this is my new pouch. New pouch. Anyways guys, honestly, I'm not designing. There's no nice clothes. So that's what you can try. It's also gonna pick in double zero. So I'm gonna try this one out, and then I'm gonna try the shorts out as well. I love shorts, you know that. And then with a simple t-shirt as well, you feel me? And then there's an option on the top. So let's see what the trader say. I don't know short in the Farama shows to go down. I'm gonna take this one also. I think I wanna take this short as well. Okay. Not. I think I'm gonna get this short as well. Guys, I love shorts to go down. Oh yeah, man. So as you can see, this is my shopping bag here. I just bought some clothes and I think I want about this shop. Yo, South Africa doesn't have nice clothes. I wanna like. They are so expensive. So yeah, I just bought airport OTD and some shoes nyana to wear at home. They'll pick up and maybe it's a papa that because it will just tingo yembe to kufambisa. Yeah, I'm chatting going to pick go to travel. Don't say it's a but yeah, feel me? So Zimbabwe, see you tomorrow. So guys, just bought some food in this shop here. This is my last night's Joburg before taking off tomorrow. So I wanna eat some salsa. You feel me? And then there's some casket. Casket actually got join if you wanna, but that's why I was gonna do Zoga. That's why I was gonna do Zoga Zimbabwe because casket will be one. So So let me eat. Stay tuned. It reminds me of Cape Town. Those are the Cape Town. So the Cape Town, and I'm pretending to Uber driver. So, anyways, stay tuned. Let me chow. So guys, I'm done eating. Now we're in Pinoni. Let me rate the food. I'll give it a 9.5. The other 5 we end up with akuna. I'm not salt. And the chili is what I don't like good stuff. Anyways, it's a 10. Yebo. So guys, now we're going back home, and I wanna edit a vlog for you guys. Traveling to South Africa, and I'm gonna be dropping it tonight or tomorrow. Don't know what's going on. Mangwana I'm leaving, and I'm not about coming to South Africa. And I'm going to Saka wakazondona sangana nini ku Harare ndati going to South Africa. Akona nofundo kwa to South Africa one. Zotorodi wotori go South Africa go. Saka akona zodefunza. Anyways, let's see what's happening here. Guys, got to chain. I don't even know. Can I snap no knock? I just requested Uber. It's 2 minutes away. The last time I was going so this is my bag. Let me go back and take another plastic inside there. So let me unlock the gate. So guys, now I'm done checking in, and now I'm going to the boarding gates. Now I'm going to the boarding gates, so let's go together. Asana mborasika pa airport panapa. Ever since ndanga pakwira ndege. Why I lie today ndarasika. Today I'm lost. Kanyenda ngojaira kungopinda ndakatongonanga kuma gates. Andazoenda asima gates akasiyana ndikuenda ku A3. Nangojaira kuenda ndakananga ku A8 kwenda jairo. Saka zvondinetsoti. How far? So now I have to go back. Yes, yes. So let's go and see what we're see. Ramba withdraw my yangu yesi. South African account yangu. Sanda bravo mo. Feel me? Zara don't bite ever now. Feel me? Please take your cash of the money. I'm going to tell it. Feel me? Yeah. Masinza. Because I walk like this. So automatically. Feel me? OOTD, a nice cheese, there's a nice shot, and my campus. Nothing too hectic, you understand? Let's get it. Fair. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Essa sim dá para na pé. É de big raba. We just landed, as you can see. Now we are in Zimbabwe, Baba. So now we're going to do some checkout and then station. This one is for us people and single farmer. Feel me? But our airport is not that bad. It's beautiful though. So guys, ndalinda nambomira vanhu vekumasaji massage therapy massage therapy vayozonditura panapa and then ndabaiwa ndabaya. Touchdown Zimbabwe. I think I need to renew my card. What do you think? Chat, tell me. I need to renew my cards. Oyo, vai dar. Alright. It is. Robara, automatic.
Ndine client ya regular.
Regular gogo.
Ndinopinda mumasinde uche muti madanomupikira saka pandangoiona.
Alright. Ndawachita wapezo gadzira gate redu wakuboa kutenda tu.
Anomboita nezviko.
Because finally I'm home. 7 sound, you feel me? Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm so tired, Shipudaro. Oh, that's why so guys, I've not been dropping voice, yo. I'm tired, like really tired. Anyways, let's see what we can do. Tango. Morning guys, how are you? So guys, I think to those who pay attention, I think you saw I was holding this when I was coming from SA. When I was coming from SA, and yeah, I hit another monarch as well. So to those who watched the last video, I bought some shoes and some clothes for my sister and my mom. So this gift is for my niece. Do you want to consider this gift for a graduation? You feel me? So yeah. So what's happening today is I'm going to graduation in Zimbabwe. Crash, you feel me? Sarich Ango, you know what I'm saying? This one I'm gonna wire after the graduate. You feel me? So let's go together. Let's get it. Guys, Oyo, did I eat some? Oyo, so I'm not going to my boy. I'm telling you, Zara, so I'm not going to rice. I don't want to cash off my shops. So I'm going to lunch. I just have a graduation by about 2 minutes. The one I'm going to down and then change my drinks and stuff. Now I got this one. Ouch, because I'm so thirsty to do that. So yeah, let's eat the food and then we'll go back to the graduation. Let's get it. Okay guys, nyango katinga chikafu yobikwa na momzi chikaunga difference so nyango katinga steers kuchike nini boy ringoma
Go in the city town, girls. Go in the city town. What you doctor go meeting right? Tipo it is when you
Volado. She's going to grab a line. She's going to grab a line here. So I guess it's another day, another Zola. We're out here at Avondale Shopping Center. Trouble check restaurant in Moronto. You feel me? So you guys stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Let's get it. So you guys at the restaurant to go so long. There's chop here in the Yenda. Then down there there's Panda something in the Yenda. And then Kef Nash in the airport. And then now I'm only left with Sushi Shack. So let me go Sushi Shack and share it. Wagwan Dimbo Panda relax while I'm eating something there. So guys, that says the menu. That says the menu. Let's go to Chop. I think it's better because yo. And that says this menu. Yeah, my sushi. So guys, we done. Now we're going, guys. I'm still in Avondale. Still trying to get a place, guys. If there's anyone who knows where I can get a place, Avondale or looks like my office guy. Looks like very empty guy. I'm opening the bubble. Avondale Westgate. Anywhere around, maybe another biography, anywhere around Disney Town, Muslim Town. Please hit me up. What's this? Let's check what's popping. Guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? So guys, that was the end of the video. Yeah, I couldn't find the restaurant. If you know anywhere that I can get a restaurant to rent, which is affordable, which is not in town, maybe anywhere around town, places around town, I mean, like, or anywhere going to go to Bogne Market or anywhere around UZ, please hit me up. And also, those who want to do my channel promotions, I'm only left with a few people to check channel promotions and courses. If you're all about Draconic integration, hit me up a number plus 276-196-43402. Also, I was a restaurant plus 276-196-43402. This is my number on the screen. Please hit me up. It's for business only. Please stop send me a message with the praise. I'm a big fan. mwanga kumbira achitondipemba praise buy me a phone waro guys nditoriwo murombe guys. I don't afford zvese zvamukufungira izvozvo andamari yamuri kufungira nditoriwo rombe nditoriwo rova so kuti handingambokwanisi kukutengera phone for you to do connection ndangambokwanisi kukupusha mahara because at the end of the day you all see from this channel kuti from those vlogs ndinopusha sleepless nights. Kuna vanondiziva vanotekisana ma2 am ndoreply because ndakamuka. Kuna vanondiziva ndotravela kugara mubhazi 5 hours 7 hours kuenda kuna chirezi kuti do content kugara mubhazi kudzoka flying kuenda kuna South Africa. Handisi kunonga mari idzodzo is investment. Makanona chichika mari chenda kana ma-outs ka handisi kufadaya handisi kudya mari guys. I'm doing investment for connection because that's how you work, that's how you invest. So ukaona chiposa zatofunga zvafunga ndorarama life yakanaka unongochitobhaisa because I'm doing content. That's how you invest money, by spending money. So when takes praise help me mari chichi praise. I want a job asara tomboni mabasa guys. Asara ndito stress kuti don't want a place ndito stress kuti ndoita save zvangu zvifambi like a lot is stressing me. So ntoro rombe chonbe mabasa guys. Give me brand deals, give me channel to promote. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Let's get it.